Good morning, my powerful people. I'm up. It's Monday morning, getting ready for work now. So I'm in the kitchen, guys, and I'm doing some oatmeal. So this is I don't do the minute oatmeal, I do I do this oatmeal, the old-fashioned one. So the old-fashioned one, it means that it's not overly processed. It's different from it is different from this 1 minute. The 1 minute one is over processed, but I like this one that has more, more stuff in it, more fiber, and of course my almond pecan clusters. So I enjoy a little of this. I put a little in a Ziploc bag to bring with me, and that's filling enough for the day. So let's go back to my porridge. It's bubbling. When I do this, I don't make it you don't make it overcook, because you want to have the fiber. You want to have that. You want to have the fiber, the fiber, not boiled out. It's bubbling. Lower the fire. 6:30. So again, it's a new day, guys. It's such a new day. I'm gonna take a banana with me. I'll probably get me a drink. Probably. We have cheese. So I'm probably gonna do cheese with crackers and a bottle of water. So I don't want it overcooked. And we know the good values of our oatmeal. Actually, I don't do very well with wheat, but my oatmeal, I make sure I get it in, because it's wheat just, I don't know, but there are times when I'm gonna let it boil anymore. There are times when I would use the oatmeal and it doesn't, like, it would make me cough, just cough a lot. To make me cough a lot, so I usually, but I love it. I know it's healthy. It's healthier than cornmeal. Leave that for Donnie. And that's it, guys. And I'm going to put my banana to sweeten it. I don't want any milk in it right now. So that's going to be it for now. I'm going to make a cup of tea. And I'm good to go. So happy Monday, everybody. Be safe. Be blessed. I pray that God will open doors for you guys as you step out today. That He will open, He will keep you safe. And He will continue to provide for you. So make it a great day by choice. Remember to be thankful for all things, no matter how small. Be thankful and stay blessed.